Visa CEO says payment giant is moving into crypto in a very big way. Well, my bag's packed like I'm moving in a big way. So we ready, let's go. Bitcoin dominance drop, resisting at 55K, stoking an altcoin season. Oh yeah, the way XRP moving this altcoin season, baby. Mark Cuban tries to convince Ellen to take Dogecoin as payments and also sells her first NFT. It's mainstream adoption time, baby. Let's get into this bullish news. Let's go.
I would never fail to leave you bullish as hell. Stuffing bags to the fullest, don't sell. This is crypto tales.
Ethereum price is all-time high, follow reduced gas costs and DeFi revival. Sounds like Ethereum got some moves it's trying to make. Let's go. We waiting for that 2.0. Let's get in this bullish article. Mainstream adoption of cryptocurrency continued to reach new all-time highs in 2021 thanks to the growth of popular sector like decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. The explosion growth seen over the past year would not have been possible without the Ethereum network, which saw the price of Ethereum break out to a new all-time high on April 27th, following the successful launch of the Berlin upgrade on April 15th. Look at that chart, looking so sexy. Ethereum has rallied 27% over the past 5 days for a low of 2,107 on April 25th to a record high of 2,680 on April 27th, as altcoin appears to be gaining momentum. Oh yeah, it's gaining. And we got a tweet from Raul Paul. To be brutally honest, I shared the chart of ETH BTC, and I see an enormous rounded bottom with potential huge breakout just above. I honestly think it's gonna break out. Also, Ellen DeGeneres sells NFT, talks about Dogecoin, DOGE. Alright, Doge. Ellen DeGeneres auctioned a piece of digital art titled Woman with a Stick Cat for $14,555 today. Oh my god. Proceeded from the auction and other related sales went to the disaster relief charity World Central Kitchen. Alright. Meanwhile, Shark Tank host Mark Cuban appeared on Ellen's talk show to discuss cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and Dogecoin. Ooh-wee. Let's see what she had to say.
You down with NFT? Yeah, you know me. NFT. Down with NFT. NFT is anything digital, like drawings, music, tweets. The owners of these digital items have been selling them. For instance, someone bought this digital drawing of a cat. Okay. Are y'all sitting down? Yes, you're all sitting down. It sold for $172,000. That drawing of that cat. And I know you're thinking that's insane, and you're right, but some things can't be understood, like math or science or how they make polka dots.
Alright, next news. Mark Cuban tries to convince Ellen DeGeneres to accept Dogecoin. Following the Dallas Mavericks' decision to accept Dogecoin as a payment for merchandise last month, billionaire Mark Cuban is seemingly attempting to get another high-profile name to consider using the meme-based token as a form of payment. In a virtual interview with TV show host Ellen DeGeneres, Cuban said Dogecoin may have started as a joke, but is now becoming a digital currency. The Dallas Mavericks owner mentioned the success the team's store had after accepting the token in March, and recommended DeGeneres should look at it for the Ellen shop, claiming the store could sell a whole lot of stuff for Dogecoin. We sure will do that, said DeGeneres. I'm interested in Dogecoin, and I really want to know more about this. Okay. Coin dominance drops and resistant at 55K stokes altcoin hopes. We hoping for some altcoin season because everything is on fire right now. It was a nice retrace. Hope you bought the dip. Now it's back to higher highs, breaking these resistances and get into new all-time highs. So Ethereum new all-time high today, dropping the Bitcoin dominance rate and overhead resistance at 55,000 as analysts predicting that an altcoin season is at hand. I hope so. We going to the moon. The overall cryptocurrency market saw a second day of gains on April 27th after weekend sell-off proved to be a good buying opportunity. I just said it. For retail and institutional investors. Lower gas fees following the Ethereum network's Berlin upgrade, along with an increase in institutional buying and decentralized finance activity, lifted the price of Ethereum to a new all-time high, $22,680. Data from Cointelegraph Market and TradingView shows that BTC climbed just above 54,000 in early trading hours on Tuesday, and bulls are aiming to break out to 55,000 resistance level for a possible rally to 58,000. Let's go. With Ether and the altcoins showing signs of strength, BTC remains range bound. There's increased chatter on crypto Twitter as traders speculate on whether an altcoin season is on the verge of starting. And by looking at the 2017 chart compared to now, it's looking like we're about to hit first moonshot, and we're looking at new all-time highs. Several altcoins saw their price reach new record highs along Ethereum on Tuesday. Polygon continued to strong rally, moving at a high of 75 cents before taking what appears to be a short breather. Uni also saw its price token reach a record high of $40.50 following a 17% rally from the lows on April 26. The overall cryptocurrency market cap now stands at 2.8 trillion, and Bitcoin dominance rate is at 49.5. It's looking like alt season. If that dominance rate drops any lower, we're going to the moon. Visa CEO says payment giant is moving into crypto in a very big way. Let's see what he's talking about. Visa CEO Al Kelly discussed the payment giant's crypto ambition during an earnings call on Tuesday, describing the firm as extremely well positioned to do so. Sounds like they got bit by the crypto bug. As previously reported, Visa is undertaking a multi-pronged strategy as it relates to its services related to Bitcoin, stablecoins, and on a larger time horizon, central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs is what they're known for. It's an area he has elaborated on in the past, including a podcast appearing this spring, during which he positioned such plans in the context of Visa being at the intersection of new payment technologies. During the Tuesday earnings call, Kelly again drew a distinction between the different elements of the broader plan, citing the spending and purchases of cryptocurrencies, crypto-related APIs for financial institutions, settlements, and CBDCs. So our focus is on 5 different opportunities that we see in this space, and I would say that this is a space that we were learning into in a very big way, and I think we are extremely well positioned. On the topic of central bank digital currencies, Visa said that the firm is in conversation with central banks about their development, suggesting that the payment firm could play a role in the process. We're talking to the central banks about the criticality of public-private partnership, in particular, and why are they talking like this? Like, all these P's, they trying to tongue tie you, and criticality of acceptance, because these central banks digital currencies to have value, they're going to have to both be secure in the minds of consumers, and something we have a long track record with and could help. And then secondly, obviously, they have to have some form of utility, and that's exactly what XRP has, and that's why we're going to the moon. Appreciate y'all checking out my first video. Hit the like and subscribe. Let everybody know Tails is here and he's doing it. You know what I'm saying?